Welcome back to Drag the Mag, and if you're new to the channel, then welcome. So it's Tuesday, and today I'm saying we because you know who I meet up on Tuesday. Martin from Peterborough Magnet Fishing UK. Check the page out, like, share and subscribe. But yeah, we're hitting up a place called Eli, you know, a lot of people pronounce it different, but we're gonna have a few test dips here, see if there's anything here, to be honest. If this don't plan out, then we have got another area sort of half an hour drive away. But yeah, let's see what we find in here. So yeah, had a few throws. Got a massive bit of old cast iron piping. Some kind of bracket. Broken pipe. And some kind of wheel for something. But yeah, got the G90 there. And in the water is the G120 from Magnet Store. Great magnets, the G-Force range, Genesis. If you want a magnet like them, use the discount code DTM10 and that will get you 10% off your purchase. If you want a magnet that Martin's using, the Evo range from Online Magnets, use his discount code POSH10, capital P, POSH10, that'll get you 10% off as well. So been busy talking to the locals. So I've been putting all my finds together until we had some time to record basically. But we've got a file, an old hearing aid, a fork, a nice pocket watch, a pen, lure, fishing weight, some coins, and I'll just go up there and show you what else I found up there where Martin is. Got a scooter, and yeah, it's a rider. Just using the base to store all the little bits of scrap on it. Gonna put them in the bucket in a minute. Got a big pole here, a couple of padlocks, some keys to either a padlock or handcuffs maybe, and then a number 6. Believe it's probably from one of the boats. Number 6. Well, we haven't found these in a while. I found one, so I said to Martin, now I found one, I'm going to find more, and he was right. 1, 2, 3 fence pins. Then I got some fishing scales, bite lock keys, fishing reel, and a lure. Then got a padlock, a bike lock, and a bike seat. So I think there might be a bike frame in there. Then got a horseshoe. And this is my best find of the day so far. Could be a flintlock or a little cap gun. It's hard to tell. But take that and clean it up. And just poles. So yeah, this place reminds me of a seaside town. Got the old buildings, RBK restaurant there, Riverside bar and kitchen. Bit of information over here. If you want to have a pause and read that, you're welcome to. And you've got this here as well, which is the sluice. So gone and found a track piece from the trains, and then just a big bit of heavy metal. And then Martin is using the winch because he's stuck on something heavy. We have been pulling lures out of the same area, so we think the fishermen are getting stuck on something big. So it's not a first time for me magnet fishing out in the rain and the thunder. Right on cue. Cheers. Yeah, you got a thunderstorm just literally there, and lightning as well. But it's the first storm that me and Martin have magnet fished in. We've been in the rain, hail, snow as well, but not thunder and lightning.
I'm gonna sing my Thunder Buddy song.
Gonna sing the Thunder Buddy song. You thunder, you can. Not gonna swear, but yeah.
So if it rains too heavy, I'm going back in there.
Got some pliers. The thunderstorm has stopped and the sunshine is back out. 1 minute it's raining, 1 minute it's sunny, 1 minute it's thundering. We're on this platform here doing this bit. And just got a pile of scrap at the moment. We are going to work our way up that way in a bit. Got more boats moored up down there, car park at the end as well, a few shops. So gonna see what's here. So yeah, if you're into Christianity, read. But they've made a fountain out of it. So we've moved down to outside the Riverside bar and restaurant. The cutter in. Gonna have some dips here, see what we can find. Then we're gonna try it outside the bar over there. Well, me and Martin thought it was getting late because it was getting dark. Thunder is back. So this I was going to pour down in a minute. It's all grey here. Blue skies over there. We're heading over here in a minute. So yeah, the thunder is above us. Rain's coming down now as well. It's not coming down too heavy at the moment, but we've got lightning, thunder. The joys of magnet fishing, eh? I mean, look at this sky behind. Feel it's hard to focus. I'll show you in a second. Look how beautiful that sky is there. It'd be amazing if we was over there. But then we pan round to here. I mean, all dark and grey. Yeah, the rain's coming down heavier now. Just seeing a massive lightning streak go across here as well. So thunder is getting closer. But we're wet anyway. If it gets any bad, we're going to probably go under the pub. They've got a few umbrellas, a little canopy bit outside. Sit there. So yeah, been timing the lightning between the thunder basically, and it's 2 miles away. It's getting closer, but I'm standing under this willow tree. Now I have got my dry suit on me, which I think I'm going to quickly throw on. So yeah, the rain is easing off, but we've now got a rainbow. It's just forming. It's a double one. You've got one there and one above it, so it's a double rainbow. Now that is cool. And yeah, got my dry suit on and keeping dry, and just gonna pull out an old car stereo, completely knackered. Got the wires in the back and the pedal. So yeah, a little bit of rain ain't gonna stop us. That's beautiful, look. And look what I've just gone and found. Check that out. Wow. Nice find after the thunderstorm we just had. That's cool. So, got a screwdriver, portable charger. It's not waterproof though, so it's not going to work anymore. And a little knife sort of multi-tool. So yeah, we're back where we started. Gonna have a couple of dips under this bridge before we call it a day and get these scrap loaded in the car. You got Waterside Antiques there. Nice little B&B there. There's a gate there. It's all private, the other side of the bridge basically. But you got Babylon Arts here. So we are having a few throws under this bridge. See what we can find. Well, time's getting on. It's just gone 7:10 and just did my last throw. Just a load of junk. So gonna get that, move this pole, the other bits of scrap back to the other scrap pile, get the car and start loading the scrap up. So we've got this long pole. I struggled, had to get Martin to help me get his magnet on one end and help me get it out. Got a bucket for the scrap there as well. Got this trolley for the scrap, bike, this bag. So yeah, we've done pretty good today. Just gonna get this loaded. And as you can see, there is nothing left. It's all been cleaned and put away. It's all been little bits really, so we've managed to get the big rubble sack and put the little bits in there, stuck the trolley in and put stuff inside the trolley, put stuff underneath, but it's all in there, everything that we got out. So yeah, we're just getting the last few bits in the car, getting changed and that. But yeah, it's been epic. Some quality finds there, to be honest. I'm not going to tell you what Martin found, but you have to go over and check his YouTube, Peterborough Magnet Fishing UK. But it's been an epic day. We've hauled out, there's probably 200 to 300 kg maybe, could be more, who knows. But yeah, it's all loaded, as you can see. But it's been great magnet fishing with Martin as always. Some people are probably thinking, oh my god, they're magnet fishing in the rain and thunder. Well, you know, we didn't get that wet, to be honest. The thunder and lightning was over within 10 minutes. It sort of just flew over basically. Had a nice little rainbow. But yeah, you've seen the lures, you've seen the knives and the little pocket watch I pulled out as well. So yeah, as I said, check out Martin's channel. Link is in the description and you'll be able to go and see what he's pulled out. But for now, it's goodbye from Martin and it's goodbye from myself. See you later.